Hey everyone, I'm Brantley, and you're here because you're interested in becoming a video editor. And that is awesome. Video editing is hands down one of my favorite things about being a filmmaker and media producer. Now, your journey towards becoming a video editor probably didn't start here. It probably started with the Google search asking, what is the best video editing software? And at the top of the search results was probably Adobe Premiere Pro, Avid Media Composer, Final Cut X, DaVinci Resolve, Sony Vegas, the list goes on. But as a beginning video editor, it's important to do two things when choosing a video editing software. Number one, is it accessible and user-friendly? You don't want something too complex that's going to scare you away right off the bat. And number two, the cheaper, the better, free in a perfect world. Well, we're going to address both of those in this first video. I've found a free software that you can download today. It's good for PC and a Mac, and the learning curve is very easy. But not only that, it's a software that you can grow with over time. And if you ever decide to transition to one of the bigger players like Adobe Premiere Pro or Avid Media Composer, then the transition is going to be super simple. The name of the software is called HitFilm Express. It's made by a company called Effects Home, and we're going to download it today, we're going to install it, and I'm going to show you how to set up your account. So let's get started. Okay, to get started, we want to go to effectshome.com. Once at effectshome.com, we're going to go over here to the top right corner, and there's a menu bar. Let's go ahead and click on that, and let's scroll down to HitFilm Express Free, and click on that. Okay, once there, the first big button we see is Download HitFilm Express. Okay, this is where you want to create an account. So display name, let's make it Brantley Ping, that's my name. Email address, Brantley@socialreact.io. Password, I'm not going to tell you what that is, but I will retype it to make sure I remember it. United States, and what is my age? I am 18 or over. I am not currently interested in special offers, so I'm going to click no. I'm going to click on accept down here so I can get rid of that. And then I'm going to click on send me the express download. Okay, so the email's been sent. I'm going to jump over to my email. I'm going to scroll down and click on Get Your Express Installer. And then it gives you some more instructions. This is where you choose if you want to download it for a Windows machine or if you want to download it for a Mac. I'm currently on a PC laptop, so I'm going to go ahead and click Download for Windows. It's a smaller file size, it's less than 400 megabytes, so depending on your internet connection, it shouldn't take too long to download. Don't stop believing. Pa, 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 pa. Okay, and now that everything has been downloaded, let's go ahead and click on this to install. I'm going to click on Next. We're going to accept the terms of the licensing agreement, hit Next. And then you have some options here. You have the typical, custom, and complete. For this course, we're just going to click on typical, and we're going to click on install. Now again, these instructions are for a PC-based environment. The Macintosh environment is going to be pretty much the exact same instructions, so you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit finish, and then we're going to start HitFilm Express. Okay, so before we can do anything, we're going to have to activate our software. And once again, like I promised at the very beginning, it is completely free. We're going to go ahead and activate and unlock. And then you're going to put in your email and password that you registered with in one of the earlier steps. And that's all there is to it. We are ready to go. In the next video, we're going to open up this program, check out our workspace, and fine-tune it to be custom to whatever we would like. I'll see you in the next video.